Depositing money on Shopify is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your funds efficiently. Follow these simple steps to complete your deposit. Step 1. Log into your Shopify account. Access your Shopify account by entering your credentials on the Shopify login page. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to manage payments and deposits. Step 2. Navigate to the settings. Once logged in, locate the settings option at the bottom left corner of your Shopify dashboard. Click on it to access various account settings. Step 3. Select Payments. In the Settings menu, find and click on the Payments section. This area contains all the payment methods and financial settings related to your store. Step 4. Choose your payment provider. Select your preferred payment provider from the list available. If you haven't set one up yet, you may need to follow the prompts to connect a payment gateway that supports deposits. Step 5. Deposit funds. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can easily deposit money into your Shopify account. Make sure to check your account balance after the deposit to ensure everything is processed correctly.